Okay, y'all, welcome back to another chapter in the Brian's Bus Adventure. Guess what I'm doing here? These are the two main water lines that are going up top to the bus. And I'm be checking them for air leaks now. And what I've done, I went to the big box store and got a fitting to adapt up to the Pex A, which is the first one. And it has the normal pipe thread on it here. And then I went from the pipe thread down to the garden hose thread. And this garden hose thread has this Schrader valve on it. So I'm just going to install the air line to it, the air pump to it, I should say, and then see if we have any air leaks. Okay, oh, there we go. Okay, now after doing this line here, actually I had it on the wrong side. This is the line for the sink and for the two sinks. The two sinks on the driver's side, that would be the kitchen sink and the sink in the bathroom. They both appear to be okay, but what we found out is that the washers inside the sinks, this bus has not been really probably used for water in 10 years, so the washers inside the faucets are dried out. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and tear the faucets apart, and then go ahead. I have just a plethora of washers that I've collected over the years, so I should have exactly what I need. I have a big old mason jar full of them, and come back and do that again. But for the time being, I'm going to take it over to the other side of the bus, because what I really wanted to do was the shower, because we need the shower wall up before we can finish the floor in the bedroom. So I'm going to take that back over to the other side and do it again. Yeah. Well, okay, y'all, here I am on the passenger side of the bus, and now I'm going to be checking out the shower. And again, the blue first, of course, to see if the cold water has a leak on it anywhere up before we install that wall at the bedroom. And then I'll come back and do the red, which will be the hot. And that'll take about 2 minutes, so hang on, let's see what happens.